Hi, last week I bought the Commodore SX64 and the keyboard was cracked during transit with the post. And you can see the damage on the outside. I have repaired it, tried to repair it. There were bits and pieces everywhere and it has been repaired with some epoxy to well, it's a bit of a mess, heavily damaged, but the keyboard is going to be fine. It has been sanded, not completely, but most of the damage has been repaired. Here you can see some damage. It will be smooth. I must find the correct color. Here was a crack. But the biggest problem was with the image. I will show you in a few moments. The problems you just saw are caused by a dead PLA, programmable logic array. This is a new one because the old ones can't be found anymore. I'll turn it upside down. This one should replace the old PLA. I'm going to remove the main board. This is the board here in front. The power supply has been removed for easy access because it is almost impossible to remove that logic board because of the connections to the power supply. Just wait a minute and I will remove the logic board. There are three little pieces of plastic that hold the board in place and they must be removed carefully. You can't buy them anywhere. Let's see if I can remove them. Just push the center down, hard with one hand, maybe with one nail. Yeah, it's out. And this is what this looks like. Piece of plastic and the ends are spread when you push in that black pin. To remove the main board, the plastic pieces have gone, all three of them, but there is a connector on the motherboard down there and it goes to the logic, another board. Not quite sure, I/O board I think it is. And we must remove that board too. It has the same plastic pin. Must be removed. Okay, this is the bad PLA chip. And down here is the SID chip. Here you have the VIC chip for the video signals. And we are going to replace this bastard. One moment. On the other PLA you see a half circle here to indicate where the notch is. just line them up. Be sure to check if all the legs are correct. I must use two hands. Just a minute, I will pause and come back. Okay, the new PLA is in its socket now. And now I'm going to put the SX64 together again and check if it is okay. I'll be back when the SX64 is put together again. Okay, the SX64 is complete now. Everything has been replaced, all connections have been made. I hope all of them. And it looks good. So next step is powering it up and see if it works. I'll also clean the window of the monitor. It was filthy. But the SX64 looks to be in great condition. Okay, fingers crossed. Okay, power is connected. Now switching on the mains. Oops. No weird sounds. Image is better. Don't know what is coming on, but looks better than it was. There we are. Looking great. Okay, I'm going to insert the cartridge to check the system. Okay, this is the cartridge I'm using. Well known. I don't have the harness. So, go to switch it on. Here the floppy drive spin. And see what the results are. Zero page okay, stacker page okay, screen RAM okay, RAM test okay. Color RAM seems to be okay. The bed is normal. Okay, here the last test. I put in the diagnostic cartridge and you see the words bed at the control port, serial port and user port because the test harness is not present. Normally it would be okay. Everything works. So the SX64 is 100% now. I'll pause a moment and I'll load a file from disk. Okay, I have a copy of the SX64 test demo diskette. I will insert it in the drive. Load 8. Oh. Searching for loading list. And let's see. Load Christmas. Christmas at device 8. Loading. Okay, ik give the run command. Okay. It's loading again. Don't mind the distortion on the screen. It's only in the video and not on the screen itself. There are a few white spots over here, there and there. Don't know what the cause is. Can't get rid of them, unfortunately. Okay, but the computer works perfect. One moment, please. Okay, we're back. This is on the big screen. Still loading. I'll pause. One moment. Okay, there we are. Program has loaded. I'll change to the other monitor. Okay, the program has loaded. Press any key to start. I'm on the big screen now. You can hear the wind blowing. It's a real blizzard. This is the Christmas demo, which was supplied with the SX64 on the test demo disc. Season greetings, okay. You see, it works perfect. No issues, the PLA works just fine. Okay, I will stop the program now and recording, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, now for the keyboard. It has been repaired. Most of the damage is gone. I sprayed it in the right color, silver grey. I had the color scanned and made at the car shop, especially for me. Okay, but you can see we have a perfect working computer. Don't mind the 2Z2 because that happened when I disconnected the keyboard. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Any comments, please leave them behind. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.